Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get more survivors in Whiteout Survival. Okay, let's jump into it. Cool, okay, so let's start by opening Whiteout Survival. Cool, okay, so you can check your survivors by tapping the button at the top. As you can see at the top that I've got 3 out of 4 survivors. And you can add more survivors by building more huts. So let's create a hut. You can see that I have a new survivor here. So you can upgrade your hut so that you can get more survivors. The hut leveled up and now we can add more survivors. So the main thing, guys, is when you want to get more survivors is you need to create more huts and then level them up, and then you will get access to more survivors. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us. And I'll see you guys in the next one.